I'm back for a run. I came from here, from the road, and I used to go there, but today I'm going to go there. Here, look at this. This is the Gadre का रास्ता, and this is the Gadhera. देखो, कल पानी बहुत ज़्यादा था, आज पानी बहुत कम है. This is coming way up from there, that bridge on the road. This is going down to the Dhara, and ये रास्ता चला जाता है धार की तरफ. धार वाला जो खोला है और ये गया सड़क की तरफ. Let me run. Oh shit. I'm fucked up. This is uphill. Oh shit. Oh my god. Look at this gate. I've reached the road. Oh, I'm fucked up. Oh shit. My lungs. This. So that over Gadhera is there. That is going down there. And then to the paddy plantation. And then to the Kottigad. Kottigad is a small river which flows between this hill and that hill in the front, in the valley of these two mountains. So I have reached this area. This is a Kshatigrast area. Landslide can come anytime because that is completely coming towards. It has been carved inwards, and this is called Hunilgud ka Gadra. Just this one is one Gadra, and the bigger one is over there. And look at this. The road is going down. In the next rainy season, surely this is going to go down. If this Gadhera comes with a great force, and look at that. Everything has been carved out naturally and by humans, anthropogenically, but that's bad because इसको देख के तो डर लग रहा है. So let's go back now because मैं हूँ गुट के गदर मैं बैंड से. So I came way up from बैंड से होते हुए मैं उधर के रास्ते फिर से सड़क पे आया, फिर गधेरे से होते हुए वापस सड़क पे आया, सड़क से फिर गधेरे गया, फिर वापस सड़क पे आया. एंड देन आई केम. अब यहाँ से आधा जितना मैं इधर आया हूँ ना अपने गांव से, उतना ही मुझे और चलना है और मैं मेगा महादेव पहुँच जाऊँगा. मतलब जो गांव है मेगा में तो हम नहीं जा सकते बिकॉज आवाजा है, बिकॉज समवन इज़ डेड इन द विलेज ऑफ द सेम फैमिली एंड दैट्स वाई वी कैन नॉट गो इन द शिवालय Shiva temples. So it was planned that we were supposed to go yesterday to the Mega Mahadev, Mangleshwar Mahadev. Look at that. This over there is that village. Over here somewhere is the Mangleshwar Mahadev's temple. And this road, not visible. Maybe it will be visible from here. This road is a proper road. Going to my maternal grandmother's village, नानी के गांव. और but I have used it once when there was a marriage. So the barat went from that route. It came way from there and from this route to up there, wherever the destination was. I don't even remember. Look at that. Those mountains. My memory is completely filled up now. I'll show you the villages. Look at those. There is one bike coming, but I can try to ask for the lift because that person is completely alone, but I will not because I have to complete this I don't even, I don't think that I have covered about 5 kilometers also. No, because 1 kilometer was when I was above our village from the band. That was not even 1 kilometer. Okay, so the route I have covered now is, I don't think it's 1 kilometer now yet. But anyway, I'm not going to extend this because it's an uphill task, and he could have given me the lift if I would have asked, but बिना पूछे तुम चाहोगे कि कोई तुमको चढ़ा के दे देगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है, right? So at least you gotta ask. But yes, I'm not here to reach some destination. I'm here to run, so I'm not gonna ask for the lifts now. So there are plenty of flowers growing over here on the sides of the roads. Laltain is also here. I used to think that laltain only grows in the warm places, but no, they grow everywhere. That's cool. That's amazing. Oh my god, my lungs are fucked up. Oh god. Running in Dehradun is completely different from running in village. Also there, when I go uphill,
distance 3 kilometers, time 31 minutes 44 seconds, previous kilometer in 13 minutes 16 seconds.
Oh, that's good. Now it is 3 kilometers, and I'm thinking like I have walked about 10 kilometers now, but it's only 3 kilometers as of yet now. So but I was saying that in Dehradun also, when I run uphill, it gets tiring, it gets difficult. So in the village, it's actually at a very high altitude, so it's bad. Okay, now my phone is getting discharged, and my memory is completely filled up. I'm making vlogs these days, full day vlogs, and I'm just making them, editing them, and saving them in my laptop so that I can go and upload them when I reach Dehradun, because over here I have no access to unlimited internet because my 5G is not working here. Thanks to the systems, I will say government or these companies, that at least 4G is working over here in the remote villages of Himalayas. Thankful for that. 5G will come in the future. Okay, at this moment 5G is not even in whole India, it's only in major cities. So that's how it is. So I have reached my village now. I've crossed Payakoti over there, and now there's a village board over there. Okay, that means I have reached the boundary of my village. That's over there is the village. This is paddy plantation. Ramana Khula over here. The house is visible from here, down there. Okay. That's great. Look at these. These are the figs over here. Ripe figs. This is not the time for the figs to ripen up, but some of them are just ripening up. Over here is a bigger tree, and when they get ripen up, earlier they are green. When they ripen up, they are like red in color, but still this is not that much ripen up because पके हुए जो फिग होते हैं वो ऐसे ही पिचक जाते हैं बहुत आराम से. They are very soft. And फिग्स के बारे में क्वेश्चन आया था शायद से, आई थिंक UPSC में, दैट ऐसा कौन सा फ्रूट है जिसके अंदर एक वॉर्म जाता है, वॉस्प, वहाँ पे अंदर ही रहता है। वो वहाँ पे आई थिंक बच्चे देता है, अंडे। तो उसके बच्चे ग्रो करते हैं, वो यहाँ से बाहर निकल जाते हैं और वो अंदर ही रह जाता है, वो घुल जाता है पूरा, ठीक है। और फिर ये फिग जो है, मतलब राइप करने में उनका बहुत बड़ा हाथ होता है इसको। सो अंदर अभी भी हो सकते हैं वो, क्या पता, बिकॉज ये बरसा ओके। फिग looks like this from inside. Look at this. This might look like it is rotten, but it's not. They're like that only. Look at this. So these are small seeds of fig. Okay. It looks rotten, but it's very tasty. This one is not that much. This one is not properly paka hua. But in rainy season, surely they will be. So I'm not going to eat this because I don't want to. I'll just throw it. आदि आप क्या बना रहे हो?
ये बुलबुला
भुलभुला।
बुलबुला खाओ बुलबुला, आओ बुलबुला खाओ।
किस चीज से बनते हैं दादी ये?
हैं?
किस चीज से बनते हैं?
आटा से।
आटा और चीनी से। So how is the गुलगुला? कैसा लग रहा है? दादी याक दिया कि एक बार हाय बोल।
हाय हाय बाय। ये मैं बुलबुल यार को आता है नहीं
कुछ हाल बहुत ज़्यादा।
हाय बाबू, हाय बाबू।
So today I didn't had any more memory in my phone, so I couldn't record anything. Back here at the Dhara, क्योंकि सुबह पानी ले जाना भूल गया था। So again देखो the difference बताता हूँ इसमें और उसमें। That is स्टील का हांडा, okay, and this is called as गागर, जिसमें भी जो ऐसी शेप की होती है और ये होगा ना जिसमें, इसको गागर बोलते हैं। सो और ये पीतल की है, ये पीतल की गगरी है और वो स्टील का हांडा है। एंड देयर इज़ अ थर्ड थिंग विच इज़ कॉल्ड एज बंठा। बंठा इज़ अगेन, अच्छा सॉरी ये तांबे का है। बंठा इज़ फ्रॉम मेड अप ऑफ पीतल, ओके। सो उसकी शेप इससे थोड़ी डिफरेंट होती है, होता है ऐसे ही है, ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा होता है, ऐसे करके ऐसे होता है वो। दिस इज़ हियर, बल नल के पानी पीने से पीलिया वगैरह होता है। दैट इज़ वाई वी are supposed to come here to fill the water, okay. That's me, it's dark. I wish यहाँ पीछे कोई आए ना जब मैं बाद में इस वीडियो को देखूँ, because I am at such a place. It's completely on all sides, it's just forest, and I can listen to the flowing water, and I'm all alone here. It's kind of spooky, but since I am a young man and it is not good for me to be afraid of anything, be it a spooky ghost or any bheru or anything like pag, siar, cheetah, whatever. I am supposed to face it. Okay, भर गया क्या? अरे भर गया। So welcome to this new video, and today I am in my village, and with me are lots of people around me. Let me introduce to you one by one. This is my eldest sister. Show me your face, Neelam Didi. Let me turn the camera now. This is my mother, and this is her mother, Nani. This is my elder sister, Poonam Didi. This is my Bua, Arjuna Bua. That is Bhanjis, okay, 2 Bhanjis. That is Granny over there. This is my cousin, and there are 2 more girls inside, the daughters of my sisters, my nieces, and all these people. Some people are also over there. They are, that is another Granny, and that's how it is.